The cryptocurrency industry is expanding rapidly, and there are already over 17,000 active projects, with new ones being launched daily. Tectonic is one of the newest blockchain initiatives with potential in the digital economy. But what is Tectonic crypto and how is it different from other currencies? What is Tectonic? Tectonic is a cross-chain money market that enables users to receive fast crypto-backed loans and passive returns on their assets based on Cosmos and Etherium in general. We've heard that the tiny population in Tectonic is susceptible to being intimidated and coerced into supporting the project. If a project is young and lacks a sizable, engaged community, the community score will often rise as initiative develops. We're not buying into any of that. Instead, you'll rely on the information we found in resources. The Tectonic protocol's architecture and design are built on the Chronos blockchain technology, allowing it to communicate with the Atom and ETH blockchains. The Tectonic platform, which was introduced in late 2021, is comparable to well-known decentralized finance or DeFi systems. The Tectonic protocol offers users convenient and secure money market features for digital currencies. Tectonic users may obtain liquidity from the market by putting up collateral worth more than the value of the asset being borrowed. They may also offer the liquidity needed to produce passive income. Tectonic liquidity providers' returns on assets deposited are based on dynamic rates determined by market demands. Users do not need to liquidate their initial coins to access additional cryptocurrencies for ICOs or bonds for opportunities in farming or short-term trading. Traders might obtain cryptocurrency loans without actively managing their assets. Tonic holders might earn income by supplying assets to the Tectonic protocol. The Tectonic roadmap states that additional tokens will be added, greatly expanding the range of supported coins for borrowing and lending. This list will include Cosmos-based assets and other high-priority EVM-compatible items. The tonic native coin of the Tectonic protocol drives the ecosystem's reward mechanism. There are 500 trillion tokens in the whole tonic supply. Prospective investors are skeptical of the token because of its relatively absurd supply. The development team has still reaffirmed the strong spread of its assets. Because of the network's expansion since the Tectonic project's beginning, Tonic's market price has increased significantly. The Tectonic project has drawn interest from key players in the cryptocurrency industry, and 8board, a cross-chain DeFi dashboard, has joined the project because of its usefulness. Another protocol that supports the Tectonic platform is VVS Finance. Additionally, the network's massive token giveaways are to blame for the increases and rising interest in Tonic. 23% of Tonic's supply, according to Tectonic tokenomics, is allotted to the protocol team. This allocation has a daily release clause and a 4-year vesting term. Additionally, 13% or 52.5 trillion tokens have been set aside. The project development team for ecosystem-related projects, partnership, development efforts, advisory teams, etc. There is no set vesting timetable in this scenario, and the tokens will only be made available for uses consistent with the expansion of the Tectonic ecosystem. A staggering 50.9% of Tonic's entire supply goes to community incentive programs. Participants in community events and protocol operations gain benefits for their engagement, such as mining and staking payouts made in another coin with a similar value. Airdrops receive 0.1% of Tony's overall supply. Additionally, there is no vesting timetable for the security and maintenance allocations, which are unlocked at protocol launch. Tectonic was launched on December 23, 2021, with an initial price of $4.027 million and a trading volume of 7,695,883, according to historical data gathered by CoinMarketCap. On the same day, Tyler contained its ADH of $4.02910 million. A few days later, the token saw a significant drop in trading volume and price due to huge sell-offs and the overall collapse of the cryptocurrency market. The cost of Tonic reached its all-time low on July 23, 2022, at a point of $1.11080210 million. What factors affect the Titanic price? The price movement of the Tectonic is determined by supply and demand, just like it is with any other asset. Fundamental occurrences like halvings rules, acceptance by businesses and governments, cryptocurrency exchange hacks, and other actual occurrences impact these dynamics. Many traders attempt to keep an eye on the behavior of tonics, whales, or businesses and people in charge of significant tonic holdings while developing a tectonic prediction. The tectonic market is quite small compared to typical markets. Therefore, whales might create a lot of commotion and affect the market's price changes. According to Trading Beasts, Titanic is a wise investment. They anticipate a 101.46% rise in the coin's value. According to the authoritative website, the coin's maximum price will be 410 millions in 2022 and its average price would be 310 millions. Trading Beasts anticipates tonic will rise by 233.7% by 2023. By that time, they anticipate that the currency will have a maximum price of 610 millions of a dollar and an average price of 510 millions of a dollar. According to Trading Beast, tonic's price will range from 510 millions to 710 millions at its lowest point by 2024. By then, it is anticipated that the currency will trade for an average price of 610 millions of a dollar. By 2025, tonic's price is expected to range from 510 millions to 810 millions. Tectonic is a wise investment because its wide range of applications, relevance, and potential. To be clear, these projections are not necessary for choosing an investment. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, including Tectonic, it is wise to conduct research. The price of the tonic token may rise dramatically if the current crypto market dip ends and the Tectonic protocol takes measures to increase tonic token demand. If Talent continues to provide value to its clients and enhances its performance, its price will climb. Otherwise, it will decrease. With over 1 billion tokens available for less than $200 at the current market value, tonic is one of the cheapest tokens to buy. Investors should approach cautiously since this does not guarantee that tonic will significantly increase in value. That's all from this video. What do you think about the future of Tectonic and its native coin? See you in the next one.